Yes, guys. Reporting from Petrina's lifestyle update on Melissa, Hurricane Star Melissa, guys. Me have to walk one out and me up on the road, know, so we have to bring the news to you know. We have to bring the news to you know. So, this is how it look for now. Yes, guys, the road empty. You have 1 and 2 people on the road. But I saw the thing set now, guys, for now. Alright, so just watch and see what I want now. So guys, this is how it look for now. It's the hills. Right, this is how it stay right now in a Jamaica. Alright. I think okay guys, just God like that. Guys, we live near the sea. Why? Me have to look. Yeah, breathe every man, that's why I'm not gonna further. Breathe every man, you breathe in a real life.
Lot of damage as you can see. The road is still intact and everything like that. That's amazing.
Alright. It's a breeze. Guys, this is the road to airport. Airport shut down. No plane can go out nor come in. No flight at all. So the place stay breezy bad guys. Very breezy. There. So what I'm going to Jamaica like no. We just God is the greatest, so we just out here because God is the greatest. Guys, this is how it look right now. Out on the road. Just giving you a short update on what's going on. Alright guys. But guys, how you all doing? What's going on with Uno, eh? All you do keep safe, Keep safe because every minute you hear the news say Melissa don't come yet. So I want to know what's going on right now at this time, Tuesday morning. And we get to understand say Melissa no reach yet. With all of what we see what's going on, Melissa no reach, I think it's normal, guys. But guys, please to like up the video, share up the video, guys, subscribe to my channel, guys. If you want to see more, please put on your notification bell, so when I upload a video, then you will see everything, right, guys? So we are go home back now. Yes, because you know, I can't stay too long on the road, but I have to come out for make you see what one so far. In reporting from Petrina's lifestyle channel. A little bit of every little thing. We do everything on this channel: cooking, traveling, all type of things on this video. Alright, guys, so as I said, guys, share the video, press the thumbs up button, guys, and thank you for the new subscriber. Thank you, you know yourself. Respect to the new subscriber, and continue to thumbs up, guys. Put on your notification bell and all of that. Alright, yes, guys, 1 and 2 people on the road. You know, we Jamaican always stay. We not stay in. We have to come look see. We have to come see what go on, right? And what go on, and what go on. So yes, guys, we are out here one more time on Petrina's lifestyle channel, guys. Yes, I have to warm up myself. You know them way there. So, why, guys, what I go on? Every minute you hear them say Melissa not reach yet. Before me leave out of the house, them say Melissa not reach yet. And when me go on last night, then when Melissa go reach, and if even though Melissa this hour, because it's so terrible. The breeze last night, it's not normal. And them go tell me say Melissa not reach here yet. Them never want Melissa to reach then. And guys, out of all of what me see last time, me never want Melissa reach. Melissa, you need to wash Patiago. Because me never hear cousin auntie never me know who did they out here for you. But somebody out here for you, so when nobody want you come go on. Yes, guys. Guys, put in the comment section what you think. If Melissa not reach yet, as what the news say, and it stays so. Then me no want to see when she reach. Guys, put it in the comment section and tell me what you think. Put it down in the comment section, guys. But in the meantime, guys, I just want to thank you. Can you subscribe? Can you thumbs up, guys? Press the thumbs up button, put on your notification bell. So when we upload a video, guys, you will get it, right? Yep. So until then, guys, I'll be back out here in a little while. May I go back home now, go and get some food, and then I have more for go now, guys. I go out on the road, and see what go on and make on see it for yourself. Alright, big up on yourself and keep safe. Until next time. Blessing. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bless up yourself, guys. Bless up yourself.